Today we will see if variable separable method will not work to find the solution of first order ordinary differential equation, then what to do. Then we have to go for the next technique, and that technique we have to see now. So the first we have to understand what is homogeneous function. So if we have a function f of x, y, then it is said to be homogeneous of degree n if we can write f of tx comma ty equal to t to the power n f of xy, and due to this n power we can say that it is homogeneous of degree n. Now if we have a differential equation that is of this type, m of xy dx plus n of xy dy equal to 0, then we can write it as dy by dx equal to what? Minus mxy by nxy, or simply we can write this function as f of x comma y. So if differential equation dy by dx equal to f of xy, where this f is nothing but the homogeneous function of degree n, then how to solve? So that we can solve through one example problem. We will demonstrate that. So first we have to discuss the technique, what to do. So when this is the situation, here we have to assume y equal to v times x. So v is another variable depend on x. Then what we can write, dy by dx with respect to x, if we do differentiation, then it will be what? V plus what? X into dv by dx. So this is chain rule you have to apply, b into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So this we will get. So if our equation or differential equation is equation 1, then what to do? This equation 2 means this relation you have to put here and you have to find the solution. Now we will demonstrate this technique through an example problem, and the problem is dy by dx equal to x square y by x cube plus y cube. So here the function is this. So we have to check whether this function is homogeneous or not. So what to do? We have to find f of tx comma ty. So f of tx comma ty how to find? In place of x we have to put tx, in place of y we have to put ty. So if we put and find, it will be t cube x square y divided by t cube x cube plus t cube y cube. So again if we solve and take t cube common, so it will be t cube x square y divided by t cube common, so x cube plus y cube, and that is what? That is f of xy again. So f of xy means here degree is 0. So it is homogeneous of degree 0. Now it is confirmed that it is homogeneous. Now what to do after that? After that we have to take y as v into x. If we take y equal to v into x, then dy by dx will be what? V plus x dv by dx. Now this dy by dx you have to put in this equation. So if we put in this equation, so this equation will now becomes v plus x dv by dx. This equal to here x cube into y by x cube plus y cube. So in place of y you have to put bx. If you put bx, then it will be x cube into b divided by x cube plus x cube b cube. Now x cube if you take common, then it will be what? Below it will be x cube whole into 1 plus b cube. So that will be what? Now x cube will cancel out and it will be finally b by 1 plus b cube. Then here we can see that now this equation will be of two variables b and x only. So from here onwards you have to apply what? Variable separable method. So the idea is that if we cannot solve the problem, then we have to check whether the function is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, you have to take this substitution y equal to bx. So by putting this, what we will get? We will get the form where we can apply variable separable method. Now if we do that, before to do what happens? We have to arrange this differential equation. So it will be x d b by dx equal to b by 1 plus b cube minus b. So if we solve this one, it will be b minus b to the power 4 divided by 1 plus b cube, which is minus of b to the power 4 by what? 1 plus b cube. So this is the form. Now how to do in proper form? To apply variable separable method, you have to take b one side, x another side. So if we do that, so it will be 1 plus b cube divided by b to the power 4 db equal to minus dx by x. So again, this equation I can write it as b to the power minus 4 plus 1 by b what? db equal to minus dx by x. So what to do? We have to apply integration both the side. If we apply integration both the side, what will happen? So these are two functions. So b to the power minus 4 will be what? 1 by minus b to the power 3 into 3 10 plus 1 by b, dv will be what? Plus ln v. This equal to what? Integration of this dx by x, it will be ln x. So minus ln x plus constant, that constant I can write it as ln c. Let it be. Now what will happen? Again we have to rearrange. So if you take this to the right and then ln b plus ln x minus ln c will be what? 1 by 3 b cube. So this is the form. Now what will happen? The left side. So left side will be ln b x by c equal to 1 by 3 b to the power 3. So if we take e exponential both the side, it will be bx by c equal to e to the power 1 by 3 b cube. Now what will happen? We know that y equal to bx. So b will be y by x. Now you can write this y by x into x by c equal to e to the power 1 into 3 b to the power 3. b to the power 3 means y by x to the power 3. This one. Now here from this we can cancel out x. So finally what will happen? Y will be c times e to the power, this x to the power 3 will go up. So it will be x cube by 3 y cube. So this is our final solution of this differential equation.